Hi, my name is Bryan Smith of CPA Crossings. I'd like to invite you to my two-day data analytics and dashboard class where we're going to learn to take rows and columns of data that are typical in our spreadsheets and turn it into more meaningful information. We're going to learn how to do that by using the Microsoft Power BI toolset, which includes some standalone tools and some Excel add-ins. We're going to learn how to build a data model from all our various data sources, and then create measures based upon that data model, then create some visualizations based on the measures, and then finally learn how to share those visualizations with other people. So thank you, and I hope to see you there.